using the CGMA Competency Framework tool, transforming the finance function scenario. The CGMA Competency Framework can help you add value by strengthening digital skills and transformation in the finance function. You are a CFO, and you're coming under increasing pressure from decision makers across the business to improve decision support. Your finance teams and others around the business are swamped by routine processes, and you recognize that opportunities are being foregone to automate the routine. You create a Digital Champion Award for team members who achieve the competencies and skill sets needed to drive digital transformation. Start by opening the spreadsheet and go to column C, Competency. Select Digital Skills. You can select from competencies that are most appropriate for your business needs from column A, Statement of Competence. Although helpful, this initial selection looks incomplete. You want to find out what management accounting competencies have been generally impacted by digital technology. Navigate back to column C and select all competencies. In column A, use the drop-down to select Text Filters, then Contains. Type Digital in the dialog box and click OK. If you use the competency filter, column C, you will see People Skills and Technical Skills, as well as Digital Skills. The list is quite long, 48 statements of competence. You might want to see what would be lost if you were to include foundational level competencies. In column B, Proficiency Level, select Foundational. There is only one statement of competence you want to include in your Digital Champion competencies. Use the Fill Color tool to highlight the statement Search for data, information, and content in a digital environment, second from the bottom of the list. Repeat this step for other filters to select only the statements of competencies you want for your final Digital Champion competencies. In column B, Proficiency Level, select only Intermediate. The first 3 competencies look good. Use the Fill Color tool to highlight these 3. In column B, select only Advanced and Expert. Having reviewed the statements of competency for Advanced and Expert, you decide that they are all relevant. Use the Fill Color tool to highlight them all. In column B, select All. In column A, select Filter by Color and choose the color you have used to highlight the statements you have chosen. You now have your final list. You now feel confident to fine-tune the Digital Champion specification. Get started today.